folding one 5 1/4 inch by 8 inch piece of paper in half. Take care to match the edges evenly. Smooth the fold so you get a nice creased folded edge. This page will be the inner liner of your card. Next, on the folded edge, use a ruler to mark 1 inch in from both edges. In line with your first marks, make a mark 1 1/4 inches away from the folded edge towards the center of the folded page. Cut between the two marks on each side of the page. Fold the cut area up towards the center of the page and smooth the edges so you get a crisp fold. Open the page and fold the flap you just made toward the inside of the page. Make the crease fold in on itself so that it will look like a step when you actually open the card. Think of this as an accordion or a valley fold. Refold the page so that the stair step you made in the previous step is now folded up inside the folded page. You can't see it. Now use a ruler to mark 1/2 inch in from the first cut edge on both sides of the first cut edge. Mark 3/4 of an inch up from the first two marks. Cut along the line between the two marks. Fold the two new flaps up towards the top of the page. Smooth the crease of the two new flaps so you get a nice, sharp, and smooth edge. Just as you did with the first flap, fold both new flaps toward the inside of the page. You'll be making 2 mountain folds into 2 valley folds. And when you open the page, you should see 3 stair-step shapes. This takes a little practice, so don't lose your patience. Glue the back of the page you just cut to the inside of the pre-made card. Use lots of glue and smooth down the edges so that your page lays nice and flat. Glue your embellishments onto the steps of the card liner so that they pop up when you open the card. Add a sentiment and more embellishments to the flat parts of the inside of the card and decorate the front of your card any way you wish.